Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 36 new COVID-19 cases identified at Easterseals residential facility, health officials say. Many cases and new outbreak asymptomatic, officials say. 3 more people in New Hampshire have died of COVID-19 and another outbreak at a long-term care facility in the state has been identified, health officials said Friday. Dr. Benjamin Chan, the state epidemiologist, said 2 of the 3 recent deaths were associated with outbreaks at a long-term care facility. Overall, 37 people in the state have died of COVID-19. Health Commissioner Lori Shipperton said another outbreak was identified at the Gamion Academy at the Easterseals facility on Zachary Road in Manchester. Easterseals said 19 residents tested positive along with 17 staff members. The Gamion Academy cares for children and teens who have developmental disorders. These children are asymptomatic. There are no symptoms, so it wasn't until testing was done for both staff and clients that we determined they were positive, said Nancy Rollins, Easterseals Chief Operating Officer. Easterseals is now stopping visitations, allowing parents and caregivers to connect with their kids online. Rollins said staff have the proper personal protective equipment. We have continued to take all of the necessary precautions as we have from the beginning, with aggressive hand washing, with aggressive desanitization, she said. The outbreak was detected because the facility began testing after the state issued new guidelines recommending more testing at residential facilities, officials said. The Department of Health and Human Services dispatched its mobile testing team after some positive cases were found. The interesting part there is that clearly a lot of folks have this, as we have suspected, asymptomatic. So that has to bring in the question, do more of us have this than we anticipated, said Governor Chris Sununu. Is there more immunity out there than we understand at this point? With increased testing in long-term care facilities, health officials said a bigger picture will come into focus. We are now going in and establishing within 24 to 48 hours whether there is a wider spread transmission, Shipperton said. Health officials said it continues to appear that the state's infection rate is stable, indicating that social distancing practices are working. Overall numbers of positive cases might increase in the days and weeks ahead as more testing comes online, officials said. If you look at our epidemic curve, we are not seeing an acceleration or a rapid increase in the number of cases so far, Chan said. Sununu also said he's generally supportive of President Donald Trump's proposed three-phase plan for reopening the economy. But he said the decision about when to do that will be made at the state level and not by the White House. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.